Electrical Production presents. This is my channel Sanma TV and my NC2 electrical wiring solution, building wiring installation NC2. History of Philippine electrical code and its development. Ang topic natin ngayon ay the Philippine Electrical Code or PEC. Sa makikita nyo sa background, lahat ng yan ay ang mga tinatrabaho ko, experience ko. PEC serves as the Bible for all electricians, master electricians, inspectors, and engineers. It contains all the guidelines in every electrical task to be accomplished. It provides the framework in the installation of electrical components, wiring methods, and the kinds of materials to be used. Its primary purpose is to achieve an environment free from fire and other hazards and protect the installers and workers from any injury or danger. PEC was first published in 1961 with the joint efforts of mechanical and electrical engineers known as the Philippine Association of Mechanical and Electrical Engineers or PAME. The United States National Electrical Code or NEC was first used as standard code by Filipino engineers, but as the need to modify our rules and the technology in our country advanced, NEC became unreliable because some of its rules were not applicable to our condition and location. The need to create a new set of guidelines that suits our local condition gave way to the development PEC. Requirements for an electrical permit. Secure an electrical application form DPWH form number 77-001-E to be accomplished, signed, and submitted by a duly registered professional electrical engineer. Then 5 sets of plans and specifications should be prepared bearing the signature and seal of the responsible professional electrical engineer and submit together with the application form. Electrical wiring plan. An electrical wiring plan is drawn in standard tracing paper and drawing sheet, white printed, blue printed. It shows the location of the electrical components, their connection, and the kinds of materials to be used represent in architectural symbols. It makes use of either metric or English system scale. Points to remember. The electrical wiring plan is used by engineers, electricians, and technicians to outline housing wiring connection. When making electrical wiring plan, be sure to meet the requirements provided by the PEC. Wiring methods. There are different ways of wiring for residential, commercial, and industrial structures. Wiring methods have different patterns, styles, and set of procedure. Wiring methods can also be classified according to materials used. Example here, knob and tube wiring. This is the simplest among the wiring methods. Knob and tube wiring is commonly used in residential, commercial, and industrial structures. It is the most affordable wiring method because it uses only few materials such as split knobs, porcelain, and mica tubes. Here are some guidelines in installing knob and tube wiring. Number 1. When installing a split knob, make sure that the space will not exceed 2 meters to keep the wire from swaying. Number 2. When installing 2 parallel conductors, make the space between them not less than 15 cm. The longer the distance between 2 conductors, the better. If a wire will touch a wooden surface or a mica or a circular loom, in order to protect the wires, mica is used in junction and utility boxes. Number 4. In making connection, give an allowance for switches and outlets. Number 5. If 2 conductors would intersect, use mica to separate them from one to another. Number 7. When installing a switch, please expose wires inside the wood molding so they can be protected. Points to remember. Installing electrical wiring, follow the guidelines set by the PEC and select the wiring methods suitable to your plan. Thanks for watching.